Alright, this is worked example for simplification of negative indices. So we've got this problem here, and we need to use our index rules to simplify it up. And same as I normally do every time, I'm going to deal with my brackets first, then I'm going to deal with the multiplications, and I'm just going to neaten up one step at a time. So the first thing I do is I'm going to times into these brackets. Our rule here is that I can join these indices up, the 2 and the 4 and the minus 1 and the 4. Because if it's raised to a power, then it's the same as multiplying. So it's going to become 7 to the 2 times 4 times by 3 to the minus 1 times 4 times, just not going to change that, leave that there. All right, let's deal with the bracket underneath. Times in here, times in here. That becomes 3 to the 2 times 3 times 7 to the minus 6 times 3. Cool, I'll neaten all that up. 7 to the 8 times 3 to the minus 4 times 7 to the 5 over 3 to the 6 times minus 18. Alright, so it's dealing with the brackets. Next step is to join together my ones with the same base. So I'll join the 7s together, I'll join the 3s together. So this becomes 7 to the 8, and when you've got something times something, it doesn't matter which order I do this in, I can just times across the top. If it's got times, then that's the same as adding my indices. And if it's underneath, that's like taking away from it. So I would take away minus 18 in that case. And then I'm going to do the 3, so it's 3 to the minus 4. It's underneath the next 3, so it's 3 to the minus 6. So it's like minusing a positive 6. Alright, then we'll neaten this all up. We'll get 7 to the 8 plus 5 is 13 minus 18. So that's 13, 21, 31. I hope I haven't done something silly there. And then we're going to do our next part, which is 3 to the minus 4 minus 6 is minus 10. Now, I don't write them like that. If I've got a negative indice, then I need to write that as 7 to the 31 over 3 to the minus 10. And that is my answer.